Welcome. In front of me I have Sharp Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch and I'm going to show you how you can change picture mode on this device. So at the very beginning we have to move to the right upper corner when we can find the settings icon. So right now click OK to enter the settings, and then we have to move to the device preferences. Click OK, and right now go for the picture. It's under the power feature. Click OK. And then let's tap on the picture mode one more time. So currently we got the energy saving, but we can change it for the movie or the game. So choose your favorite setup, then click OK to confirm. And as you can see, the picture mode has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.